Hi folks, this is Mike here from the Trailer Depot. Today we're doing a video on a ATC 40-foot gooseneck. This is an all aluminum trailer. Very common with the ATC, it's got a car hauler package in it that's a CH305 package. So the CH305 package comes nicely equipped with a lot of features on it as a standard trailer. We've got this one optioned in with a generator compartment here. So inside we're going to show you how the cabinets are set up along this wall so we can accommodate the generator compartment. It's a 40-foot, that's overall length, all aluminum construction, two 7,000-pound axles. So it's a tandem axle with 16-inch tires and wheels. We've got our favorite door option here, the flip-up escape door. Flips up out of your way, nice and easy. Fender comes off very easily. Comes right out of the trailer. One thing I want to point out about the way this fender works on this ATC. If you see, it's narrower than the door opening. So very easy to put it in, set it down, it sits in place. The door comes down and locks it in place. I've seen a lot of other manufacturers with these flip-up escape doors, and the way they have the fender is it's wider than the door opening. Well, it makes it a little cumbersome getting it out, especially when you've got a vehicle in there. So I just wanted to point out how that works. That's a unique feature for ATC. Also, it's got a step here in and out of the trailer nice and easily once you got the door open. Something we really like. It's probably one of the best features that ATC has on these car trailers. It just makes getting in and out of the trailer very nice, very easy. So we've got perimeter skirting here, which means that you'll see that the trim dips down at the fender area. It's a spread axle, so you see the individual fenders per trailer, per axle and tire. And then also stainless steel up in the front with polished cast corners, stainless steel in the rear with stainless steel paddle latches. So these are a half-turn paddle latch that lock the rear door. So it's a nice, clean rear door frame. You don't have the bar locks on it. Dual tail lights on both sides on the back of the ATC with the car hauler package. Just spring-assisted ramp door makes it very nice. This one with the 305 package comes standard with a black coin flooring, transition flap, 4 tie-downs in the floor, white lining on the inside, white aluminum lining, walls and ceiling. We optioned this one in with a black cove, which is the cove here, the spring cover, black cabinets. So on a 40-footer, you've got 40-foot overall length. That gives you 32 foot up to your drop wall. You've got an 8-foot base cabinet here. Very typical if you've seen our other videos. Their standard is the flip-up cabinet doors on the overhead cabinet, so you can put all 4 of them up. They're out of your way. As we saw on the outside, this has got a generator compartment here. So this area is taken up by the generator compartment, and then you've got a lot of storage on both of these cabinets here as well. Then plus you can use your whole peak. The peak comes standard with carpet up in here, so we've had people that wanted to throw sleeping bags up there, or mattresses or whatever, and kind of camp out while they're at the track. Just give you a place to lay down and rest your head. A 50 amp short cord, comes with a 25-foot short cord. Also a big 48-inch side door with a nice step on the outside. It's a pull-out aluminum step out on the outside. 110-volt electrical package with LED lights on the inside. So these are 12-volt LED lights. You got a total of, 6 of them inside in a 40-footer. 7-foot interior height is standard on the CH305. This is Mike from the Trailer Depot. We're doing a video on an ATC, all aluminum, 40-foot gooseneck with a CH305 package. You can find us on the web at thetrailerdepot.com. Like us on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram and YouTube. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.